welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys a product that I received, and I'm collabing again with Xin Tianya. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm pretty much going to be packaging their box. Now before I get into this, Valentine's Day is coming around, but if you don't even care for Valentine's Day, you like self-care, then this box is for you. Now, first and foremost, before I get into this box, what you can get from Xin Tianya, they pretty much make culturated boxes for you guys. So what does that mean? You can choose the dimensions for the boxes. You can choose if you want a circle box, if you want a square box, a drawer box. You can also choose if you want to get like a customizable, let's say a ring box. Let's say you want to get a nice ring box and you put the ring in it. You want to make it special, you want to customize it, you can do that there as well. They do have different beauty boxes. They have chocolate boxes. I think I've shared a chocolate box with you guys before. I will link it up somewhere as well. You can choose color of your boxes, so you have a lot of choices and type of boxes. Now this is perfect if you want to give somebody a gift. You can definitely check them out. They have different ones, like I said, chocolate boxes. They have beauty boxes. They have, I'm getting tongue twisted. So they have chocolate boxes, they have beauty boxes, and they have jewelry boxes. Those are the three. But anyway, without further ado, I'm going to share my box. Now, first and foremost, the box that I liked on their site was the Rose All Day. That's how you say it, right? Rose, right? Because it has the little hyphen. So we're going to say Rose. It's not Rose All Day. Alright. So this is what the packaging looks like first hand. As you guys see, it's a nice pink box. And you know, I'm signaturing the pink to match the pink box. So I love that. Now on the back, what is nice is they tell you what's in the box. So in total there is, I believe, 5 different things, and then it also comes with a spoon as well, because I glanced at the box. This is why I know. But so I'm gonna get into the details of the box. They also tell you what the expiration date is on here, so it's actually May of 2023. So but I will be using this and showcasing it for you guys in the next half of the video, but right now I just wanted to give you guys the unboxing. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys so you guys can see it, and then I'm gonna just do this. So first of all, the smell, I can smell the rose scent first off. Now me personally, I think just looking at this box, I didn't even get to actually try it, but I think this is perfect not only for Valentine's Day but for yourself. If you're like me, who you like to do self-care, you like to do pamper routines, this is a must. This is also, let's say, I'm gonna be real, like you trying to I don't want to say surprise, but I guess you trying to do something nice for a girl, whether you're not dating them but it's somebody that you know you like, a crush or something. This is also good as well. Like, I'm be honest, if you don't have enough money or you don't want to spend too much money, this is a good affordable way to give something that's thoughtful, because a girl can use everything in here, so it just works well. But anyway, so let me get into the detail. First of all, I also like the packaging of the nice things in here as well. It comes with the little tissue paper stuff to give it like a nice scent. So first things first, I'm just gonna go from left to right to show you guys everything in the box. So let's go. The first thing I saw is the Rose All Day, the bath salt, and it's also rose scented. I also like that on the packaging, because you know how sometimes you get some things and like it'll just say what the package is but it doesn't explicitly say or get instructions. I'm gonna be honest, sometimes I get packages that don't have instructions. In the back it has the directions. We love a product like that so we know what we're doing, because if you don't know what you're doing, but this is the bath salt. So now, the bath salt, it says soothe your tired body with these relaxing crystals. Toss a handful of fragrant crystals into warm running water and sit back. Now, alright, the next thing I'm going to go through is their salt scrub. Now, if you know me, you know I love me a good scrub. I own very many of them. I probably have like about 5 of them. But that's neither here nor there. So, this is the... Ooh, just smelling that. Alright, anyway, this is the Rose All Day salt scrub rose scented. This one, it says you can apply it to wet skin, preferably in your shower or your bath. I already know how scrub is used, but yes, I'm definitely going to be using this as well. Alright, the next thing I will pick up is the rose petals, the dry rose petal. Let me tell you something. This is good not only for pampering yourself, but you want to do a date night idea? Self-care in a box. There you go. All those tools you need. Alright, so this is the Rose All Day, the dry rose petals. So it says you can place the dry rose petals in warm bath water for relaxing touch to your bath time experience, and then drain bath as per usual, as the dried florals are biodegradable. Oh, interesting. Nice. Alright, so like you guys see, now who doesn't like an excessive oil? I do. So it says enjoy the benefits of pure essential oils for massage or in your bath. It says dilute at least at a rate of 5 drops of essential oil to 10 milliliters of water. So obviously you would pour this in the shower to dilute the water. Now I will say, if you're like me who has a standing shower, this is not exactly ideal, but I'm still going to make it work. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I don't necessarily have a tub. I have a standing shower, but we still gonna make it work. And then lastly, it also comes with the hand soap to clean your hands. And we love a good, it smells so good. Honestly, I love a good high scented, fragrance scented anything. So this is the hand soap though. And it's a bar soap. And last but not least, it does come with a wooden spoon, and I would assume that's for you to like put, for example, like the sea salt. You can sprinkle it into your thing. I feel like with the roses, you can probably pick it with your hands as well, but probably if it gets too far deep and you can't get it, you can also use a spoon for this. So this is actually a good touch to have, because if you can't get the product, you can just use the scooper, or I mean the spoon. But overall, I love the packaging of this box. Like I said, I will give you guys a behind the scenes of me using some of the products. It might not be all of them, but I definitely want to probably showcase at least 3 out of the 5.
So I'm first going in with the hand soap to wash my hands. Now this is the packaging again for the up close. It does have a back portion as well with some information on how to use it. Now this is what the soap looks like. I like how they engraved the name of it on there. Now I just put it in the water. It had a nice lather, and the soap is definitely rose highly fragranced. So something to note, you'd definitely be smelling like, your hands will be smelling like roses. Off the bat, the scent is very strong scented. Now I'm doing the dry petals. Like I said, I have a standing shower, but I still was able to make it work. So I'm just applying all the rose petals on the floor. Now I will say, some of it didn't like get in the drain, but it didn't clog too bad. All I had to do was like, after I was like close to finishing my shower, I just went ahead and like put them all to the side, and I was able to just quickly gather it up. And it literally took like 2 scoops of me gathering all it up, because some pieces were like small pieces, as you guys can see, and it was easy cleanup. So just to note, like with the standing shower, the cleanup was pretty simple. Then I went ahead with the essential oil to just kind of add a extra scent. Now I'm doing the soft scrub. Now I just gave you a demo, but I did end up using it in the shower, and I literally smelled like roses when I came out the shower. Not only that, the next day my shower still smells like roses. So that's why I can say, like, this product, I definitely would say this is like probably the top 10 of the products, because the scent is so pigmented, not pigmented, but it's so strong that it still fills up the room. Even after I took a shower the next day, it still smells like roses in my shower. So, and it was nice and